fashion forward. This is what Huawei is marketing this brand new Huawei Watch GT4. Does it ring any sense? Well, to me, yes, it does. Why? Then you have to find out in this review video of this Huawei Watch GT4 for the Malaysian market. Alright, so let's not waste any more time, and this is the 46mm version. Now, to coin the marketing gimmick fashion forward, this Huawei Watch GT4 definitely must nail the design department, and boy, they do really excellent job here by the Huawei team. Because if you really watch on this watch body, okay, it features an octagon splendor, yeah, which very similar to most of the luxury watches you can find in the market today, and it looks similar to them. So with that said, it exudes a premium luxury feel to the user. And not only that, it also comes with a crown button on the top right, along with a button as well. So the crown button actually does a very splendid job in terms of not just looking truly amazing on the watch itself. However, you can also make it as a button as well, so you can access to all your apps as well. And last but not least, you can zoom in, zoom out, or scroll as well with the crown button. Now, as for the bottom button, that is actually a fitness button, so you can quickly access all your workouts with just a single tap on the button itself. And moving on to this strap over here, this is definitely the resin type. I felt that the resin type here is quite nice. For everyday usage, I don't feel any discomfort as well. And also, one thing I like to highlight is this heart rate sensor as well. They don't protrude too much, so you definitely feel that the watch, when it sits onto your wrist, it's don't provide that huge feeling onto it. To make that fashion forward statement, this Huawei Watch GT4 46mm must able to display the information for the users and also to other peoples as well. Now, Huawei has elected to put a 1.43 inches AMOLED display on this Huawei Watch GT4 46mm, and I think it's a really bright panel. No doubt about it. I've tried using it during the sunny days and also low light condition area. It just always looks presentedly well for me to know the information in terms of the timing, the heart rate, the steps I've taken, the calories I've burned, and so much more. And also the display over here has actually 326 ppi density. Yeah, so if you're going to try to pixel peep, you do notice that the resolution being displayed over here is fantastically amazing. Yeah, being a fully fledged luxury smartwatch. Now, the display also offers a really smooth scrolling experience. This is also largely thanks to the upgraded processor and also optimization of the UI for this Huawei Watch GT4 46mm. Now, if you really see from here, I scroll, it's always scrolling smoothly. Check it out, check it out. Yeah, can you see that? That's really amazing from what it can deliver for the user experience over here. So no doubt about it, I think in terms of the display performance on this Huawei Watch GT4 46mm, is one of the best display I have ever tried for a smartwatch in 2023. Now, this smartwatch not only just looks stylish, it also actually performs really well in terms of health tracking. Yes, so it actually offers around the clock health monitoring. So you do have like heart rate monitoring, SpO2, blood oxygen monitoring, sleep analysis, stress management, and health reminders. Yeah, so Huawei also included a upgraded TrueSync 5.5 plus heart rate algorithm. So for those who are actually really health conscious, you are able to monitor your own health tracking accurately. Yeah, so you will be able to gather all this data, and also if you have any concern, you can go and check to your local clinics or doctors in the hospitals. Since I can't comment on the accuracy of the health tracking on this HUAWEI Watch GT4 because I do not have the expensive machine to counter check with its performance, but I did actually try it out for a walk and also testing out its steps tracking as well. So we're going to check out this video. So I have actually done a testing on the HUAWEI Watch GT with the Galaxy Watch 6 just to check out how is the steps being calculated. So first, let's check out the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. So right now I have recorded like 2,950 steps over here, and for the Watch GT4, so I've recorded 3,399 steps. Okay, so you can see how the disparity looks like. I don't have an accurate pedometer for checking the steps, but at least I know that I am walking nearly like 3k steps over here. So something to take note. And this is not to talk about how accurate is it, just to see how is the disparity, because my hand is right hand dominant, and there are activities I'm like walking, drinking, eating, and so much more. Okay, so various factors can affect the steps count as well. So something for you to take note on that. Alright, so today trying out the HUAWEI Watch GT4 for a walk. 5 km again. Yeah, so let's see. Okay, so to be honest, battery life on this guy here is like been truly tremendous. I've charged this to 100% on Monday. Now it's already Sunday. Look at the battery life. So there's 64% of battery life over here. Man, this thing really has a good battery life. Really, really amazing. Okay, but today we are going to check out the fitness tracking on this HUAWEI Watch GT4.
Seconds. Current heart rate 114 beats per minute.
Alright, so unfortunately I have to cut short this walking session because it's raining right now. Alright, so basically I've ended the walk session a bit early because of the rain, as you can hear. Okay, so here is the result of it. Okay, not bad to be honest, and you can actually use the crown to like scroll down some more. You get more details about your pace, your heart rate, what else, your heart rate zones as well, and then you have your altitude. I think that's cool. You do know that there is an elevation you are gaining every time you walk. Okay, and then there's altitude as well. Nice. And then there is altitude as well. So you have a cadence over here as well. So the final part here is basically I was forgotten to like stop my exercise session. Okay, and here are the steps that is recorded. They also tell you how many average stride you have. And basically this is your training efficiency. And then it will just tell you share records via the Health app. Moving on next, if you are someone that is from the Android or iOS user, connectivity on this smartwatch to your smartphone is actually not a problem, because right here I have an Android smartphone, and the HUAWEI Health app just runs perfectly well, and you can just connect to your smartphone, your Android or iOS smartphone, without any issues. And pretty much it works very seamlessly as well. So you can adjust your watch faces, you can transfer your musics to the smartwatch itself, and if you're coming from HUAWEI devices, you can install some apps. Along with that, you can also use the HUAWEI Wallet app as well. And also the HUAWEI Health app here just runs perfectly on the Android device as well. So as you can see, it gives all the details on like what I have been doing, my exercise records, and so on. So this HUAWEI Health app is definitely a perfect partner app for your HUAWEI Watch GT4. For the battery life on this HUAWEI Watch GT4, especially the 46mm, HUAWEI is claiming that it could last up to 14 days of battery life. Now I have tested it during my 2 weeks of usage, and with the notifications being turned on, the calendar turned on, playing music occasionally with the speaker on this smartwatch, I get roughly more than 7 days of battery life with this guy here. So if you're going to be stretching towards for the up to 14 days of battery life, you definitely have to turn off all the other features. But for me, I just try out with all the features being turned on, and for me, I think this has been like one of the best smartwatches that provides great battery life and all the amazing features as well. Alright, so it's time to wrap things up on this review video with my final verdict. Now I think this smartwatch overall is a fantastic buy, or even perhaps to be putting into your wish list or consideration. What it offers is truly one of the best 2023 smartwatch experience. You truly have to try it out. And not only that, the integration with the Android and iOS devices makes it a really great deal to purchase it as well. Yeah, as you can see, it just works fine on my smartphone, so you can't complain too much that it doesn't support this, doesn't support that. HUAWEI has made it support onto Android and iOS devices, so now you can definitely go and purchase one today. Alright, so how is my rating score for this HUAWEI Watch GT4 46mm? I'll give it a really solid 9.5 out of 10. Yeah, that 0.5 is because I don't want to give it the maximum score, because I think there are some bits that it still needs to improve. Okay, all right, so yeah, basically that's the review of the HUAWEI Watch GT4 46mm for the Malaysian market. Alright, so special shout out thanks to HUAWEI Malaysia for providing this sample review unit for 2 weeks of usage. However, this is not a paid content, therefore there's no creative input, no final approval is needed by the brand. Yeah, everything whatever I'm saying is based on my experience of using it for 2 weeks. Yep, 2 weeks. Okay, so there might be some software updates in latter stage, so you do have to take note on that in the later stage. Okay, so it might be providing a different experience from what I'm actually saying in this video. So once you have taken note on that, I'm going to end the video with my special message again. If you're still new to the YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Follow us on the social media. Last but not least, go and head to the website. Go and read all the latest news and happenings in Malaysia and internationally. Okay? And if you do want to support this channel to grow bigger, do give some superstars onto this channel, and all your proceeding will help to improve in terms of like equipment and also my productivity as well. All right, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys on the next one.